Hi, I'm Elena. I recently became a patient here at the Bachelor Clinic in Roswell. I've been into sports since my childhood, and when I was looking for a doctor, I wanted to find somebody who will share my passion for active lifestyle. And that's when I heard about Dr. Bachelor. He has been one of the top endurance athletes in Atlanta for the past 30 years. Before Dr. Bachelor treated me, I had chronic pain in my neck and my back. Now, as a result of the treatment, my back feels good, I can exercise with more flexibility and no pain. Thanks to Dr. Dan, I feel the best I've felt in years. If you need a great doctor who practices what he preaches, call Dr. Bachelor.
Hi, I'm Amy. I have been a hairdresser for about 10 years, and through that many years of my profession, it created neck and shoulder pain. And I started to see Dr. Bachelor. He's the wonderful doctor that I ever met. He treated me and adjusted my neck and my back, and all the pain is gone. That make me enjoy in my profession every day.
Welcome to the Bachelor Clinic. Hi, I'm Alina. I'm a professionally trained chiropractic assistant for the Bachelor Clinic. I'm responsible for scheduling your appointments and handling all paperwork and insurance for you. Dr. Bachelor, he's a wonderful doctor. He's helped many patients, including myself, and I'm sure he can help you. If you have any questions or would like to make an appointment, please call me at 770-992-2002.
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm a patient of Dr. Bachelor. My job is doing hair and nail and facial. I've been using one side of my body more than other sides over many years. Then I began to have neck and back pain. Then I go to a Dr. Bachelor. He treats me. Now I don't have any neck or back pain anymore. Now I do my exercise like running and biking. I feel very good now. I would like to thank Dr. Bachelor for making me feel good again. I'm so happy and healthy now.
Hi, my name is Marguerite. I'm 90 years of age, and I used to have a lot of neck pain and headaches until I finally went to Dr. Bachelor, and he took care of all my symptoms, my headaches, my back aches, my eye aches, and now I feel the best I have in years.
Welcome to the Bachelor Clinic. I'm Dr. Dan Bachelor. Patients that enter the clinic typically have 3 questions. Can you help me? How long will it take? And how much will it cost? Let's talk about that first question. Can you help me? Patients that seek the services of a doctor seek a doctor with tremendous experience, a doctor that has treated their condition before, a doctor that gets excellent results with their condition. I have over 30 years of experience and have treated over 11,000 patients over that time period, so I qualify as that doctor with tremendous experience. How long will it take? Some patients come to the clinic in acute pain and some have chronic pain, but during my examination I will determine more specifically your prognosis. How much will it cost? Most patients have PPO insurance and have very little copay, but if you have no insurance, then we will make your fees totally affordable for you. I will do my utmost to return you to normal sport, normal work, normal play, normal life in as little time possible. Welcome to Modern Chiropractic, and welcome to the Bachelor Clinic.
See you soon.